Hey everyone, in this video, let's ask whether or not you can watch Bally Sports on YouTube TV. In order to do so, here we are at tv.youtube.com. And if you look through the various channel options that you have available with YouTube, unfortunately, Bally is not one of them. As of the latest update, Bally Sports are not available on YouTube. It does not carry Bally Sports regional sports networks due to disagreements over fees and economic viability. So that is essentially the answer to that question. Unfortunately, at this time, Bally is not available on YouTube TV, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in My Stylus AI, you can gain access to an AI companion for academic document writing. Unlock your writing potential with My Stylus, find relevant sources, effectively manage references, refine with AI editing, and get instant help through AI chat research. And if you use promo code SkillcraftAI10, you'll get 10% off your subscription. You'd also be helping us out, and we would certainly appreciate it.